I would like to show in very brief an old fastening method which variations of are used today in industry where high strength per fastener is desired. Solid riveting for making things. Joining beams, frame, segments, metal plates and sheets, and building trusses using joiner plates and rivets. A riveted connection can deliver a tension connection, that is, to keep a joint from pulling apart. Modern wood trusses commercially use pressed in gripper plates like this one. However, the size and the number of fasteners would be calculated for each joint. We can make a comparable connection using sheet metal joint plates and nails that are trimmed into solid rivets. Sheet metal and nails are commonly available. Basically, align your frame clamps would be helpful, and clamp or use vice grips your sandwich in place. Drill and insert first. Two rivets to be through each member to be riveted. That way, after that, the rest may be drilled and inserted without disturbing the alignment. Size 6 is perfect for reaching through 1.5 inch nominal material. Long roofing nails are great for using the 3/4 inch thick material and the plates. And number 20 nails can reach through the full 3.5 inch wood beams and the plates. A metal, flat, solid backing is good for doing many rivets at once. If you can't put your work on a solid table, you can use a bucking bar behind it. instead. Now, steel rivets need a heavy bucking bar. Aluminum and soft metal rivets, you drive the factory head with a concave driver, but with steel, with malleable steel rivets, they need a convex peen to make the formed head. Eye protection, ear protection, pack it, trim it, and peen it. In this very brief exhibit, I'm omitting the calculations for each fastener strength and lots of the points of the finer craftsmanship. If you have a paper drawing of what you are constructing, it really aids in getting the layout and specifics right. Considerations for joint calculations would be the thickness of your joining plate, and the area and yield strength of the joint plate and the rivets you are using, the bearing strength of the connected pieces, and the amount of force that that joint is going to need at that, the amount of force at that joint. Wood preserver like ultraviolet urethane, spar varnish, linseed oil, or even waste motor oil will greatly extend wood life in exterior environment in the absence of redwood or pressure preserved lumber. And although riveting is labor intensive, this is how to achieve a long-lasting and high strength, especially in tension, connections with commonly available tools and materials.